What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix a very common household problem, and that is low water pressure at your taps. So we've got here a double basin, which is awesome. We can compare the two side by side. If we turn on the left tap all the way open, that is the amount of pressure that is coming out. We'll compare it on the right hand side. And you can see there is a huge difference. Now the reason why this actually occurs is because if we have a look at the tap right here, there's an aerator. What the aerator does is it basically reduces the amount of water that's coming out by using a little filter up on top. Now that filter also catches debris, and that causes a problem because it reduces the amount of water that comes out of your tap. This is such a common problem. I'm going to show you guys now a quick example of just how common this problem here is. Right, guys, so here we've got a house that's only a couple years old, so I'm going to run through some of the taps throughout the house and show you guys what I mean. So you'll find that even in new houses like this, sometimes we can take this off by hand. Other times we'll have to use the adjustable wrench, so we'll just test them all out. If we have a look up on top, you can see there's already a build-up of crap on there, so we need to wash that there off. But I just want to show you guys, even throughout a new house, it's a very, very common problem, especially when you've had some recent work done. Sometimes the plumber isn't a bit careful and might have got a bit of debris in through the line, and then once he's sealed everything up, that then runs through your tap. So we'll go quickly have a look around elsewhere in the house, see what else we can find. Once again, aerator down here. Try drying my hands up a bit, see if we can remove this one. See if there's any debris in this. We've got a little bit of plastic in there. Looks like it might be a bit of plumber's tape. Once again, bit of debris in this one here. Now these all need to be cleared out, but I'm going to just quickly run through the house, see what else we can find. Go upstairs for a second. You can tell it is a new house. It's only like a year or two old. See, where's the bathroom at? Once again, we've got another one here. That one there's got a fair bit of debris in it. And this is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. So in about a year or two that this house has been built, this is how much debris has been built up in these little aerators or filters. Imagine over probably about 10, 15, 20 years time, this is going to be completely filled up and you won't be able to get much water out of this whatsoever. So this is just a perfect example of how common this problem here is. Screw that one there back on. We'll see if we can find any more. Let's see how many other bathrooms or taps there are in here. There we go, we've got another one. So far it's been almost every single tap, guys. That there is the biggest problem. So what you want to do, guys, is remove your aerator, turn on the tap, and we want to basically just flush this all out. We want to clean this all off, make sure there's nothing left in there. A little bit hard with one hand. You can see there everything is coming out. Once that's done, we can return the aerator. Tighten it on as much as you can on by hand, and if you want you can use your adjustable wrench and make sure that's nice and snug. So to fix the water pressure on this tap, we need to remove the aerator and clear out any debris that might be stuck inside. What we're going to do is take an adjustable wrench and remove this aerator. You'll notice there's a little flat section here. Also on the back, that's designed for the adjustable wrench to bite onto. They're not always loose enough to undo by hand, so we'll loosen this one here off to the left. Once that's loose enough, we can then undo the rest by hand. So just clear all this debris out. Clear out the washer. And now that we've got a clean aerator, we can put that one there back in. Tighten it as much as needed. And then we can test out our tap. Perfect. So there you have it, guys. That's probably the most common cause when it comes to low water pressure at your taps. It's also the same situation when it comes to your shower head. Same thing, they have a little filter in there that also gets caught up with debris and reduces the amount of water that comes out of your shower head. So if you guys want to see a separate video on that, let me know in the comment section below, guys. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.